Ever gazed at the night sky and wondered if we're alone in the universe? Well, prepare to embark on a cosmic journey as we explore the possibility of life on other planets. As we traverse the vast expanse of space, we're not just asking, is there life out there, but also, what does life need to survive and thrive? This quest has led to extraordinary advancements in space exploration, with the likes of NASA's Exoplanet Exploration program at the forefront. This program is spearheading the search for life beyond Earth, unveiling the mysteries of the cosmos one exoplanet at a time. The James Webb Space Telescope, an incredible feat of engineering, expands our vision, aiding in the detection of exoplanet atmospheres. Yet the search doesn't stop there. Other missions like Perseverance on Mars and Europa Clipper are designed to uncover signs of life within our very own solar system. As we delve deeper, remember, the question isn't just is there life out there, but what does life need to survive and thrive? Before we can find life, we need to know what we're looking for. So what does life need? When we think about life, we often imagine it as we know it to exist on Earth. But the truth is, life is a curious concoction of certain elemental needs. It's these needs that form the proposed framework for identifying signs of life, especially life that might be starkly different from what we're used to. The first thing life requires is liquid water. Water is the universal solvent, the medium in which all biochemical reactions occur. It's the cradle of life, providing the necessary conditions for organic molecules to interact and form complex structures. Without liquid water, life as we understand it simply cannot exist. But water alone isn't enough. Life also needs an energy source. Energy is what fuels the processes of life, from the simplest bacterial cell to the most complex mammalian brain. It could come from the sun, in the form of sunlight for photosynthesis, or from chemical reactions, like those that occur in the deep-sea vents on Earth. So when we search for life, we look for places that have access to some form of energy. Finally, life creates atmospheric imbalances. Life on Earth, for example, has drastically altered our atmosphere, filling it with oxygen through photosynthesis. These imbalances, or biosignatures, could be key indicators of life elsewhere. They reveal the presence of biological activity that may not be immediately visible or accessible to us. So there you have it, the basic framework for life: liquid water, an energy source, and atmospheric imbalances. These are the three key ingredients that we believe are necessary for life to emerge and sustain. With this framework in mind, we can start to explore where life might exist beyond our blue planet. One of the most promising areas of research is exoplanet atmospheres. These far-off worlds orbiting stars beyond our solar system hold tantalizing potential for signs of life as we know it. But how do we study something so distant and elusive? Enter the James Webb Space Telescope, a powerhouse of scientific ingenuity. The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, is a game-changer in astrophysics. It gazes deep into the cosmos, seeking out the faint signals of exoplanet atmospheres. It's like a cosmic detective, piecing together the clues of these far-off worlds. It accomplishes this by capturing the light from these exoplanets' host stars as it passes through their atmospheres. The way this light interacts with the atmospheric gases can tell us a lot about what these exoplanets are made of. But why is this significant? Well, the composition of an exoplanet's atmosphere can provide crucial insights into whether it could support life. For example, an atmosphere rich in oxygen could indicate the presence of photosynthesizing organisms. On the other hand, the detection of certain atmospheric imbalances could suggest some form of biological activity. In essence, these atmospheres are like biological fingerprints, potentially revealing the existence of extraterrestrial life. However, it's not as easy as finding a single magic molecule. Life as we understand it is complex and diverse, and what works for life on Earth might not apply elsewhere in the cosmos. That's why the search for exoplanet atmospheres is not just about finding signs of life, but also about broadening our understanding of what life can be. The detection of exoplanet atmospheres is a giant leap in our quest, but there's more to this cosmic puzzle. The universe is vast and mysterious, and every discovery brings new questions. But one thing is certain, our journey of exploration and understanding is far from over. While exoplanets hold promise, we're also looking closer to home for signs of life. Take a moment to ponder on Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun in our solar system. This red planet, known for its rusty landscape, is the focus of a mission named Perseverance. This aptly named rover sent by NASA is tirelessly exploring the Martian surface, digging into the Martian soil and studying the Martian atmosphere. The ultimate goal of Perseverance? To uncover signs of life. Yes, you heard it right. We are searching for life on Mars, and each day Perseverance brings us closer to that reality. But our quest for life does not stop at Mars. We're also looking further out, to the icy moons of Jupiter. In particular, we're curious about Europa, a moon that's believed to harbor a subsurface ocean, and where there's water, there's potential for life. The Europa Clipper mission aims to investigate this intriguing moon, seeking signs of life within its icy shell. These missions, Perseverance on Mars and Europa Clipper, are not just about finding alien life forms, they are about understanding the conditions that foster life. They are about learning how life could survive and thrive in environments so different from our own. They are about answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? While we may not have definitive answers yet, these missions are paving the way for a deeper understanding of life itself. They are pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and challenging our perceptions of what it means to be alive. And who knows, maybe one day we might just find that we are not alone. These missions are not just about finding life, but understanding the conditions that foster it. Finding life is one thing. Understanding how it emerges is another fascinating aspect. It is not just about spotting a few telltale signs of life, but rather grasping the complex processes that allow life forms to come into existence. A key part of this understanding lies in the concept of gradients. Gradients, in simple terms, are differences or changes in certain conditions that occur over a space or a period of time. These could be gradients in temperature, chemical concentration, light, and so forth. Life as we know it thrives on these changes. It's these very gradients that provide the necessary conditions for life to evolve and adapt. Imagine a world where the sun never sets or rises, where the temperature is constant, where there's no change in seasons. Would such a place harbor life? It's hard to tell. Life on Earth has adapted to and evolved with these gradients. They've shaped our existence in profound ways. And it's not just about the presence of these gradients, but understanding how they fluctuate over time. It's about understanding how life could emerge in response to these changes. It's about grasping how a seemingly inhospitable planet could, over billions of years, transform into a cradle of life. This understanding is pivotal in our search for life. Because if we can understand how life emerges, we can better predict where we might find it. We can look for planets that have the right gradients, the right changes at the right time. By understanding life's emergence, we get one step closer to answering our burning question. Our journey through space in search of life is full of mysteries, but every new discovery brings us closer to the answer. We've navigated the framework for life, hunted for exoplanet atmospheres, and unearthed signs of life within our very own solar system. We've strived to comprehend the emergence of life forms, understanding the delicate balance of conditions required for life to thrive. These explorations, captivating as they are, merely scratch the surface of the vast cosmos, waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed the ride and want to explore more mysteries of the universe, please subscribe for more videos.